her daughter is coming. मेरी choice है. I told her personally.
Even Riddhi liked it.
I told you also. That's my. That was my.
You want to quickly go and click.
That was one of my designs.
हो गया काम मेरा.
It isn't Inca.
Yeah. Finish off this age on products.
So that you can please उनको करो जल्दी. Then later on we can
बोलो कि कल सुबह को लगाने की. Please click one picture.
The face will go in 10 minutes. ये भी आ गया. जरूरत है सर. Sorry. Hello, Tangram.
Hi.
Hi.
You tell her directly. She knows everything. Just tell her where you want the costume. Yeah. Just tell her that. Yeah, I'll send her. Daksha? Yes. Oh, Pooja, you take her measurements. क्योंकि अब ट्रेंड में हो गए पहले तो ये कहते हैं जीन्स का.
हाँ
अपना घूम ले लो घूम
घूम लोगों नहीं चाहिए. कुणाल ने मना किया. आप लगा रहे हो तो एक ही
जो इंट्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट या वैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं और उसके बाद आप कुछ बताते जाइए एंड देन आई विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस.
Okay.
ठीक है? या रोल गाइस. या रोलिंग. या मैम प्लीज स्टार्ट.
Hi, I'm Neha Lulla from Bombay, jewelry designer, and I'm into fine diamond jewelry and uncut diamond jewelry. And today at the grand launch of at the grand launch of La Dida Couture store, fashion house, we've associated together, and the event is curated by Reshma Ajbani. So today I have displayed my festive collection as well as a collection which is extremely wearable, with all kind of outfits, with your Indian wear, your Western wear, for everyday wear, just about everything. Yeah.
And what is so special about that? You know, we can see a lot of friends are here, from the family people are here, your colleagues might be here. क्या response रहा उनका when they saw all these collections and everything?
The response has been amazing because even the price points are very attractive. They are suitable for any kind of buyer, and one doesn't have to think twice before buying it. It's extremely reasonable and it looks worth the price for clothes, even in for our jewelry.
And how does this idea came in? You know, the clothes are also here, the jewelry we can see a lot of collections are here. How did this started?
So it's always a good collaboration between a fashion house and a jewelry designer. It's a cross promotion for both of us, for all of us, and it works very well that way. All good brands under one house. It works very well. This is a multi-designer store, so it's a very good cross promotion for all of us.
And who all will be coming over here from your friends, from your family?
Everybody, just about everybody, family, friends, our colleagues, people from work, and a lot of celebrities are here. A lot of bloggers have come and gone. A lot of TV celebrities have come and gone, and there are a lot more coming. The actress of what's her name?
Hate Story 4.
Hate Story 4 has been, she's coming. So it's been very good.
And anything else finally you would like to share with all the people who are watching us on the big screen?
Well, it's been a great association with everyone here with La Dida Fashion House, and I wish them all the best. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye, Boo.
I don't get any. Why so simple?
Yeah. She's coming now.
I know, but now I have to leave. Another half an hour, 1.5 hours to reach to temple. उसको देखते हुए हम Sorry, nice to meet you.
Hello.
Sorry.
I was sleeping.
Fine.
Whatever you
I know they are excited.
नहीं, चिल्ला बोल सोना
We told you that another 4.
I'm already so tired. I will come and jump.
We should take boiled egg also. I can tell Tanya's mom.
I said Bahar would. Whose mobile?
I have my mobile.
यहाँ पे थैंक यू। लो फोटो लो फोटो लो फोटो लो। पोज दे रही है मैडम, पोज दे रही है, फोटो लो।
Exactly. You can customize it. I can. Hi again. Hi. Very nice.
She is Niharika Raizada.
Well, Saurabh has been talking to you, right?
लाइट जलाओ ना यार, पीछे।
Looking stunning.
No, I'm wearing your design.
Ladida Fashion House, I'm glad.
It's lovely.
Congratulations. And congratulations to you as well. This is such a big
You're looking
moment.
beautiful.
Thank you so much. So you.
Thank you.
Let's take
Glad. Yes, yes. Let's get a picture. Come.
I'm Neha. What is your name?
Nishma?
Nice to meet you, Pranav.
Neha? Hi. We meet again.
In a different.
We should take it outside where the
Yeah, I think next to
the outside where the Ladida.
फोटो ले लो सबका सबके साथ में।
Let's take few here and then go outside.
Come guys.
I like this place because it's nice and compact.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thanks. Wait, you want to go at the backdrop? Yeah.
I think the backdrop is better. Come, Monica. We'll take a picture. Come, Kyle.
Looking really nice.
यहाँ पे कम पीछे
That's my friend Monica. She's coming from Abu Dhabi.
Very nice.
Come, Kyle.
Oh, Joina Pooja. Hi, how are you?
थैंक यू।
And there are many people bling and
I love white.
she's really chosen the right.
It's really nice. What is your favorite color?
I like white and red.
That's the two ones that I wore today. Those are the two ones that I wore. Even this color is right.
Yeah. I'm glad she's showing everything. Dawn and Dawn. Yeah. The designers are also here. Try this one.
Yeah, that one's really shimmery. It reminds me of a mermaid.
Vishal like a mermaid.
Yeah. It really reminds me of a mermaid. Yeah. Full mermaid.
हाँ
Take it from my phone. It's all kept here.
This one is backless completely. Okay. It's completely backless.
It look nice. It's stunning. It's got a tube inside.
Hello. Okay.
I'll show that orange also. I'm going to go that side. No, I can.
Come now there.
I love the feel of it's so nice.
It's very couture.
Very New York.
Very New York. Very New York.
I love this. Could totally be like something I will wear to New York Fashion Week. It's so nice. And it's a very eclectic color. It's a color not everybody can. And I love this.
These are the nice
It's so
creativity.
creative.
They see this how she liked it, this outfit.
Very nice.
Just the plain.
Yeah, it's a beautiful.
The color is it's a jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
But she can drape it.
I'll drape it in a different way.
Okay.
Then the neck will become open. Come, I'll drape it for you.
When I go inside.
Mandira Baby's soul collection.
Mandira's also there.
And stand near your collection and give your interview.
Yeah, I'll show them.
Yeah, please.
So hi, my name is Faraz Zutshi and I'm a designer from Delhi. I've been living over here past 3 years now. I basically export. My label's called Donna and Lord. So I'm putting up my collection over here in Bombay for the very first time, trying something new. So let's see. I hope it works out though.
I see some huge collections, you know, over here.
Yeah.
Jewelry ho, yeah, dresses ho.
Yep.
When you saw all these collections for the first time, and what was your first reaction?
I think it's a good idea, so that the idea of being so many designers coming under one label over here than fashion house, and you also give other people an opportunity to come at a particular place and shop as much as you can. And I also since I export, so I totally relate to the idea of it, because you give. That's what I basically do. I give my clients as many designs as I can, as many as it's possible, and till the time I get a heads up, and then they order pieces from me. So I think it's a good idea. This sort of the same idea that these guys are working on. So I like that.
Like it's also a lot of people coming over here, and watching all these dresses, the designs and everything.
Yep.
क्या कुछ बात हुई आपकी किसी से? I mean, what were their reactions? Which
नहीं, मैं अभी आया हूँ, so I haven't spoken to anybody. So I've just entered. I haven't spoken to anybody, but I've seen the collection. I like a few pieces out from here. I think they're very beautifully designed, though. Yeah.
Sure, super. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Is it loose for you? Maybe that's why. Otherwise, it happens really smoothly.
What I should show you is nice. It's so beautiful. Thank you. Oh my, this is
You look really nice.
Come, let's have a photo shoot.
Come, Nareshma. Yeah. Neha? Yeah. Pooja?
Take you home then.
We should all be wearing butterfly rings.
That's exclusive. Neha, look.
Just look.
Joy, come and meet, na? We come with the photographs.
Yeah. हाँ प्रीति, thanks. Come ना. Good. How are you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
ठीक है. Come.
Have this.
Yeah.
As a less sugar.
Come आराम से. Come during the week.
This is a less
Keep the neck piece
Good.
on.
Very good. It's going on. We are a lot of people actually there.
Thank you.
मम्मी आपने पार्सल
Thank you.
हम डालें कल मेरे साथ एक यार हम अंदर जाके मिलते हैं
Thank you. बस मतलब आप देखते चले आइए.
You receive it.
Wait.
मम्मी पापा का फोन का
Yeah. Guys, root. Yeah. Ma'am, center way. So you guys can look at the center. Yeah. Ready. Silence. Rolling. So, mic or that's it. So indeed a great evening over here. You know, लॉन्च हो रहा है फैशन स्टोर का, जहाँ पे ज्वेलरी भी है, क्लोथ्स भी हैं और आप तीनों भी हैं. क्या खास होने वाला है आज, प्लीज़ कुछ बताएं. मैम, विल स्टार्ट विद यू.
आज एक्चुअली हम लोग के मल्टी डिज़ाइनर स्टोर का लॉन्च है. उसका नाम है लादीदा फैशन हाउस और यहाँ पे कम से कम 15 डिज़ाइनर्स है जो शोकेस कर रहे हैं. ज्वेलरी, कपड़े, एवरीथिंग इज़ मिक्स. सो एंड आर कॉस्टिंग्स ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी मच. वी कॉस्टेड इट रीजनेबली कि लोग आए और डिज़ाइनर वेयर पहने. हमको डिज़ाइनर वेयर प्रमोट करना है, इसलिए हम लोग ने मिड रेंज में फैशन हाउस लादीदा खोला है.
ओके. निहारिका, क्या लग रहा है कलेक्शंस देख के आपको?
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द कलेक्शन बहुत सुंदर है और जो मैंने पहना हुआ भी बहुत सुंदर है. इट्स दिस ब्यूटीफुल pink peach drape gown, and I love gowns which have drapes, and this can be draped in several ways, and that's why I loved it, because I had come with it draped around my neckline and now she's re-draped it like this. So I'm very happy. बहुत सुंदर डिज़ाइंस हैं इनके. क्लोथ्स जो हैं they remind me of princess fantasies.
Thank you.
Like you really feel like, you know, really royal when you wear their clothes.
So it's a multi-designer store. हम लोगों, as Neha said, we have 15 designers, all mixed. We have a lot of clothes यहाँ पे. हमें Delhi designers से लेके हमें, you know, Ahar in India, all these kind of big designers, Lakme Fashion Week designers, or it's a mix of all. Because now the festive season is coming, like Diwali, Ganpati, Karwa Chauth. So I think the client is not restricted with one designer. इतनी choice है. I think सबको एक chance मिलता है. We have a jeweler on board. You know, Neha Lulla. She's got this beautiful jewelry. Just see, look at her rings. So it's fun to have a mix of real jewelry, costume jewelry. We have accessories like clutch bags. We have so much of a variety in clothes, whether it's evening gowns, whether it is, you know, name it, tunics, salwar kameezes, draped sarees. I think the client is never going to be restricted once they enter Ladida Fashion House. So we're very happy, and the way it's going, this entire thing is curated by Reshma Ajbani. So she's done a marvelous job for us. And of course, our friends and family who are supporting us, it feels great. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's like a mini get together हमारे लिए and a great launch. So I hope it does better and better. Yeah.
Will, of course. नेहा, आप दोनों की बहुत तारीफ हो रही है यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं हम. क्या क्या खास लगा आपको जो इस इनिशिएटिव के साथ आपने जिस तरह से एसोसिएट हुए and some great designs, some good designs we can already we can
Firstly,
see.
the association is amazing, you know, with these two amazing designers themselves from Ladida Couture. And Reshma, of course, she's an amazing curator. I've done shows with her earlier, very, very professional, and the turnout always is excellent. So, kapde to goes without saying are amazing. एक roof में आपको इतने सारे designers मिल रहे और क्या चाहिए? हर एक range, हर एक सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ है. So it's been amazing.
Reshma.
I would just say one thing, that the collaboration has been a fabulous collaboration with Neha and Pooja, and of course Neha coming on board for jewelry. And the biggest factor out here is the price point. It's very well priced. You have multi-designers from Delhi as well as Mumbai, and very affordable rates, and it's a festive season, so I think it's very, very nice for people to come here and shop for Ganpati, for Navratri, as well as Diwali approaching. I think everyone should come to Ladida Fashion House and shop. Happy shopping.
So Niharika, क्या शॉपिंग किया आपने यहाँ पे और क्या कैसे लगा कलेक्शन? कुछ घर लेके जाने वाली आप यहाँ?
डेफिनेटली अभी गणपति आने वाला है तो गणपति के लिए भी मैं कुछ पहनूंगी. आई रियली लाइक दिस फॉर गणपति. देयर इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल thing. I've been staring at this for such a long time. It's so homely, so comfortable, and I really like the color. Very elegant. This is a very elegant piece. And then उसके बाद तो नवरात्रि आएगा. तो नवरात्रि में तो there is so much sparkle and चमक धमक यहाँ पे. So I'm sure I'm going to be able to find something that suits every single occasion. Really, they really cater to, I think, every kind of client's desire. And for a girl like me who's always looking for variety, I think that I can find that in Ladida House.
The total Dhamal.
Absolutely.
The total Dhamal store, like the total Dhamal actress.
This is actually the total Dhamal store because you've got 15 designers under one roof, and these women have really brought it together.
Thank you very
Really,
much.
it's been fabulous, and I'm wearing a beautiful neck piece by Neha Lulla, and I just love it. It's really it's stunning. Thank you so much.
Super.
And thank you so much for curating it. Absolutely wonderful.
It's always a team.